In this online class, today I am going to take the class of class 9. I am going to teach the supplementary reader book, lesson 3, and the name of the chapter is Iswaran the Storyteller. Please listen the story attentively because this is very interesting and very funny story. I shall tell you the story of a storyteller whose name was Iswaran. He was very expert in telling a story. He had many types of good qualities. He was a cook. His owner's name, his master's name was Ganesh, and he was a young man, Mahendra by name. His name was Mahendra. He was a junior supervisor in a firm which offered on the supervisors at various types of construction sites. एक कहानी है एक सुपरवाइजर की जिसका नाम महेंद्र था. वह एक प्राइवेट कंपनी में सुपरवाइजर के पोस्ट पर नौकरी किया करता था और द डायरेक्टर ऑफ द कंपनी यूज्ड टू सेंड हिम इन डिफरेंट प्लेसेस in very short period to look out the places for supervision on the construction site. Sometimes Mahendra was sent by his masters on the construction site of any factory, any chemical industry, any bridge, any dam construction site. ये सब एरिया में हमेशा उसके मालिक उसको भेजा करते थे. You know that Iswaran was very expert in cooking tasty and delicious meals also. He was very expert in cooking. So his master, his owner, Mahendra liked him too much. He was just like a laborer with his master. Wherever his master Mahendra used to go for his service work, for his duty, he always used to go in all those places like a tag, and in those places वैसे स्थानों पर भले ही ईश्वरन नाम के उस कुक को किसी टेंट हाउस में भी क्यों नहीं रहना पड़े, लेकिन वो बड़ी खुशी खुशी अपने मालिक के साथ रहा करता था. He has very amazing capacity of telling a story. He used to tell the story on his imagine. अपनी कल्पना के आधार पर वह अच्छी अच्छी कहानियों को कह के अपने मालिक को प्रत्येक दिन सुनाया करता था. Actually, you can tell that Iswaran was a machine for entertainment for his master. Every day at night after taking dinner, they both, the master and servant, used to sit, and Iswaran started to tell him some stories about it. One day, Iswaran was sitting after taking dinner and after serving dinner to his master in the tent. He told his master Mahendra that my dear, that sir, do you know that this is the place? Once upon the time, this was the place where our tent is situated. It was a burial ground. उसने कहा मालिक क्या आप इस बात को जानते हैं कि जिस जगह पर आज हम लोग बैठे हुए हैं डिनर ले रहे हैं, जहाँ हमारा टेंट लगा हुआ है, जहाँ पर कंस्ट्रक्शन का काम चल रहा है, जहाँ पर बहुत सारे लेबर्स काम कर रहे हैं, वास्तव में एक जगह एक ज़माने में एक ब्यूरियल ग्राउंड था, एक स्मशान घाट था. और उसने ये भी कहा मैंने इस बात को उसी दिन जान लिया था. I had known the first day of the day when I had come here, because while I was coming here I had seen a human skull on the footpath and some bones also. क्योंकि जिस दिन मैं यहाँ पहली बार आया था उसी दिन मैंने यहाँ पर आने के समय रास्ते पर एक मानव खोपड़ी और मनुष्यों के शरीर की कुछ हड्डियों को इधर उधर पड़ा हुआ देखा था. मैंने उसी दिन समझ लिया था कि ये जगह जो है किसी जमाने में किसी समय में एक ब्यूरियल ग्राउंड था. After hearing this, Mahendra became very frightened. यह सुनकर के महेंद्र बहुत भयभीत हुआ एंड ही टोल्ड हिम टू स्टॉप द स्टोरी एंड टोल्ड हिम नॉट टू मेक हिम फ्राइटेंड, और उसने उससे कहा कि उसे डरावे नहीं, और वो फिर सोने के लिए चला जाता है। यू नो दैट ईश्वरन वॉज ए टाइप ऑफ मैन हु टेल्स 99% false, 1% true. He was a very imaginary man. वह बहुत ही काल्पनिक व्यक्ति था। वह अपने मुंह से अपनी बड़ाई खुद किया करता था। अपनी विशेषताओं को, अपनी झूठ सच की योग्यताओं को बताने की उसकी एक बुरी आदत थी। एक दिन वह अपने मालिक के साथ बैठा हुआ था, तो वह अपने मालिक से बात करते करते कहता है कि अपने जीवन की एक घटना, अपने चाइल्डहुड के दिनों का, अपने बचपन के दिनों की एक घटना से वह अपने मालिक महेंद्र को रूबरू कराता है और कहता है, इट वॉज द टाइम ऑफ माई चाइल्डहुड when I was only 10 years old and I was the student of class 4. I was studying in a primary section. Once upon a time, an elephant came out from its campus and started to roam in the town area. He had broken the many fences, many boundary walls of the town, and people became very horrified, very afraid to see the black huge creature wandering in the streets of the town. At last the elephant entered inside the campus of a school, and when the children saw the huge creature entering inside the campus, they all became afraid of, and they fled from the garden and went inside their classroom and shut the door. The mad elephant kicked the drum which was kept on the goalpost for drinking water, and he started to roam. When all teachers were on the roof of the school, and Ishwaran saw that all were become very happy, he took a cane stick from his master's, from his teacher's hand, and went near the elephant, and very nicely he told Mahendra that he kicked the cane stick on the toenail of the elephant, and the elephant collapsed and fell on the earth very soon. This is the first part of this story, dear students. We shall study the second part of the story on next class. Have a nice day for all of you.